Good morning, everyone. This is going to be a different kind of video today. So, I'm going to talk about it takes $0 to start a business. I mean, don't get me wrong, you need to get a business license and stuff, but it really kind of does. So, check this out. You need a business name? Here's the business name generator for you. You need a logo. Guess what? This site will make a logo for you. Whole bunch of stuff. You ready? Of course, you can use Canva and you can use their free account. There's options all over the place. Wait a minute. You need a interaction with your social media? Guess what? You can connect your Twitter. All sorts of cool stuff. Free. ConvertKit. It's a great thing for your email action. All sorts of stuff you could do. Build your I hear a cat scratching. I'm sorry. I was wondering what that sound was. Okay. So you can run whole email campaigns. You can figure out all your good stuff, what you're doing, where people are coming in, what they're landing on. You can have your own URL shortener and stuff, but it's basically creating your own link. Sure, there's other things that you can do, but this gives you an opportunity to do some stuff just for you with your domain. Yes, there's plugins, and you can do more other technical options, but this is a free, simple, easy way for people that aren't technical. My next one here is credit card processing. There's multiple options out there. Obviously, everyone knows about PayPal. It's simple. It's easy. You sign up. You do your thing. Of course, all of us are affiliates. I'm not dropping any links for any of these things. But it's the easiest way. Drop it in. It's compatible with anything. Everyone, your cell phones, tablets, computers. Stripe is another amazing free option that, they have their service fees for when they charge, but they don't have any upfront fees. So, again, free option. Now, let's talk about automation. You have automation options out there. Again, Zapier is one, and it's free. It's not a lot, but again, you can start from zero. There's no reason that you really have to bust your butt off trying to do everything by yourself. Everyone asks, how do I do this on my own? And it's not that I'm doing it on my own. I have other people involved. I am an agency. But as far as the course site, I generally do most of that on my own. Sean does some of the stuff on the back end. I do have an assistant that gets involved periodically, does some graphics. So you see the thumbnails and stuff like that for YouTube. I'm not creating those. I have someone else on the team that does that. An amazing, nice young man. You all would love him. And then let's see what else we got after that. Scheduling, Calendly. So again, a free option. Sure, you can use Google Calendar. You can use all of Google's products, but some people like other tools, other ways to do things outside the Google platforms. And I personally use pretty much the Google and Apple's platforms for everything. I am an avid iPhone user. I love my iPhones. But all my personal desktop stuff is all Windows based or Unix based at this point, or like FreeBSD. Let's go to the next thing. Now, although I'm part of the ZimWriter community, for those of you on the internet that aren't, and you are looking for a free option, Easy AI does have a free option to allow you to do copywriting using AI, or at least some assistance. And it's actually a decent job, does some cool stuff. So you're more than welcome to check that out. I'm not an affiliate for all these people, so give them a look. But I just thought that would be a nice little short little list for you guys to check out. Look at some other resources if you don't have them. I was talking about the Bird website, and everyone was like, oh, the copywriter's biggest issue is trying to do any type of graphic work. And trust me, everybody has different skill sets. When I was younger, when I was first going to Ventura College here in California, I was studying graphic design and got involved with that community when I was young. I really started studying photography and really took off in my art. And I realized young that it's really difficult to be a creative type and make money. And so, although I have that creative juice and hunger, I had to become an engineer. I just saw those magic dollar signs going, Silicon Valley really wasn't a thing yet, but I was already working with ISPs at the time, doing dial-up support and all that good stuff, and I fell in love with it. I realized all my friends were busting their butt off making like 1/5 of what I was making at that age, and very young I was making more than my parents. So that was a big eye-opener to me. I was like, wow, I'm not even 23 yet, and I'm making more than my parents. And so it was a big thing to me, and so I just continued with it. So outside of my personal story, check out these free options. I have a lot of followers, and I have a lot of private conversations, and everyone's gone through something. Hard times, difficult times, homelessness, whatever. But there are always free resources and free opportunities and friends. You find out in difficult times who your friends really are. But the real truth is, it's always you against the world. Take care of your inner circle and grow from there. You can have the biggest heart on the planet, but if you're sacrificing yourself, you're not going to have true happiness and success in life. So here's some free tools. Give yourself a chance to get somewhere and do something, because I think many of us have been there. I myself have been there. I've been homeless before. And I gotta tell you, that was as a business owner. I literally had a robbery happen, some murder happen, family, just horrible things occur. But you can recover, and you just it is hard work, surrounding yourself with good people, learning from the mistakes and issues that you faced. And that's part of any business. Look at Michael Jordan. I think he spoke about, like, I'm only known by my success, but I'm paraphrasing here, but it's because of his monumental amount of failures. You know, how many times do you take the last shot and miss? We only remember the triumph moments but that's generally how success is. All us business owners are. So that's my free advice to go along with the free bit of free tools that are available for everyone on the internet. Anyhow, I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. We do have some updates coming. Some things are changing in a good way. And I might be getting one more person on the team. And if I have this gentleman on the team, I think productivity will increase quite a bit. I'll be able to focus more on videos. I won't have to take care of programming tasks. I won't have to take care of some other issues as well. Anyhow, thank you all. Have a nice weekend.